Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings or simply open the upper panel just by tapping on the three bars icon in the right upper corner. And now let's enter, actually we don't have to enter, sorry. And just take a look at this, at those bars, and on the second position we've got the bar which is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now the timer is off. We've got this clock icon highlighted in this grayish color, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. And since it is highlighted in this yellow color, it means that it has been applied. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 5 or 3, which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. So basically, this is how it works, and that's how to apply the timer. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on this clock icon here, and from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically, that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.